We are Ham Radio. Okay, so you're a recent Ham VoIP user that just came over to AllStarLink version 3. And you've installed your node and hey, it's not announcing the time at the top of every hour like you're accustomed to. Well, I got a quick fix for that. Take a listen to this.
Good morning. The time is 11 o'clock a.m.
Okay, this is how we do it. You go to your AllStarLink 3 landing page here, your local node. We're going to go through the web admin portal and get to the cockpit. But we've got to log in first. Now that we've logged in, we're going to make sure we have administrative access, and then we're going to go down to the terminal. Now, when I build my script files, I like to put them in one place where I know they're at. And I'm a creature of habit, and I like to go to etc * local. But AllStarLink 3 does not have a local subfolder under asterisk. So if you go there, you can create one by typing sudo mkdir local and hit enter. But I already have that subfolder built, as you can see right here. So let's change directories into, okay, so I'm in the etc * local folder now, and I can hit ls and see what's in there, and you can see I have a file in there already. It's called saytime.sh. It's a script file that I created to make my AllStar node say the time at the top of every hour. So for this example, we're going to name it something else. So let's create a new file with sudo nano, and we'll call it hellotime.sh, and when we open it, it should be blank, and it is. So the first line has to be this: pound exclamation point space user bin bash. I'm gonna hit enter twice, and then I type in user bin sudo space asterisk space dash rx space open quote rpt cmd my node number, and in this case is 576332 space status space 12 space xxx close quotes, and everything between the quotes should turn yellow. If you're in the SSH terminal inside of your cockpit, I hit enter, control X, yes to save, enter to exit. Now if we hit ls again, you'll see that that new file hellotime.sh is there, and we could do it ls space -l and see that hellotime is read writable, but it is not executable. So we need to make it executable. So we'll type in sudo space chmod space 755 space hellotime.sh and hit enter. Now we can do an ls dash space dash l again, and now that we can see that our hellotime.sh is executable. So how do we get it to play at the top of every hour? Well, we have to make a crontab entry, and since we're not in the root, we're going to type sudo space crontab dash e, hit enter, and you can see down here I've already made an entry for my saytime.sh, which is identical to the hellotime.sh file that we've already made. So 00 is the top of every hour, and then the 4 wildcards there, space, and then the path to that file, and it will fire at the end at the top of every hour. Control X, yes to save, enter to exit, and it will fire at the top of the hour. So since we have our hello time in there, you can test it by typing !/hellotime.sh and hit enter.
Good morning. The time is 11:25 a.m.
And if it's time, your node will ID as well. Okay, so that's how you do that, folks. Isn't AllStarLink 3 just great? There's a lot more videos coming, and I'm sure it'll be updated pretty regular because there's a whole team of folks working on this, and it just works. This is Freddie Mac, your ham radio crusader, saying 73s, wishing all the good signals to be yours, and ham on, y'all.